Hi, guys. So I wanted to take a couple of seconds to explain the reading strategy we are going to be using for this week while working through the nonfiction article. Okay, so it's still a Newsela article, just like we've done in the past, but I have it chunked. And what chunking means, you can see the term right here. What it means is that I've literally broken it up into smaller pieces for you to be able to read so you can focus on that section, determine what that section means, answer any questions to it, and then move on going throughout the article. So here's what I want you guys to do. You can see that there are the instructions here. And now when you watch this version, this video will actually be located here. It's just that I'm literally making the video right now. So you're not going to have it there in the video. So when we scroll down here, you can see I've put a blue border around the sections to read. So this is the first section. I know you guys recognize the image that they always have at the beginning along with the title and the author information, word count, and then the reading level. And then there's our caption. Make sure to read that because it actually talks about the individual that they're discussing his actions within the article. Okay, and you can see that we have the first chunk here, and it actually goes on to the second page. So read both pages. It's just that it was broken up in how the article is constructed. So I had to break it up into two chunks, but this is one chunk, this one and this one. Okay, read that, then answer this question. Now, in order to answer this question, you are going to answer it from just that chunk. Okay, you don't have to worry about any of the rest of it. Just go ahead and read it and then answer the question. In order to answer the question, you're going to highlight the one that you think. So if you think this first one's the answer, you can highlight it and then make it bold by clicking on the bold face up here. Otherwise, if you don't want to do bold, you can always highlight and just pick a highlight color. Okay, show me somehow that that's the answer to the question. Okay. All right, and you're going to then read the second chunk. This is called Anything from Last Night's Dinner to Emotions. It is all the same article. Okay, I want you guys to understand that this is all the same article, but I'm going to have reading comprehension questions between each chunk. Okay, so this is the second chunk that I want you to read and then answer the next two questions. And then we have one more chunk. Again, it's in the blue, is the actual article itself. And then you're going to answer the question. Again, either boldface your answer or highlight it. Okay, and there is one correct answer for each one of those four questions. Then we're coming down here and we're going to summarize, just like we have done in the past, two article assignments. Okay, so what was the main idea of the text? Hunt for three details that support the main text within the text. Now remember that you can retype that information word for word. We're looking for quotes here, you guys. 1, 2, 3 that support the main idea, because those three details are going to help you when writing your summary sentence. Okay. What does this text mean to you? Why is it important to you? Why is this information important to know, right? They're not just writing the article to write the article. Why is it important and what does it mean to you? And then the fourth question is, why does it matter to the world? Think big. How could this impact or affect people around the world? Lastly, you're going to go back and read your answers from questions 1 through 4. Feel free to use the answers to your reading comprehension questions as well. Use that information and write your summary sentence for the article below. Remember, it should be 1 or 2 sentences maximum. Do not go back and just word for word rewrite what you had done in questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want you to put all that information, compact it down, and put it in 1 or 2 sentences. Okay? Think about if you were on Twitter and you were going to tweet the summary of this article. Tell me what this article is about in 120 characters or less. And that is our goal. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I look forward to seeing what you do here because I know you've done a really good job with the past 2 assignments, and this one just has a little added extra to it. All right, we'll talk to you soon.